गाइस, स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल पर। मेरा नाम है पुंचुंग बांगड़ू और आज मैं आपको है ना NTPC में आए हुए एक क्वेश्चन के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ, जो कि काफ़ी अच्छा मशहूर क्वेश्चन है। द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इवन नेचुरल नंबर इन 1924, द सम इज़ लाइक हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्टकट मेथड. If you have any query, then you will ask question. If you have any doubt in any query, you have to comment below and I will give you definitely answer to you. There is one simple method. You have to solve this question easily in within a second, not more than. Then you have to first of all solve like 2n square. uh, there is there's one method is like two even natural number. No, even natural number mean number there's 2n and 2n plus 2. This one is even natural number yours. Okay, then you have to like what is question is told to you, the sum of the square of two consecutive even natural number, and you have to take this 2n square, then 2n plus 2 ka whole square, then you have to take this take this like this 1924. Okay, you have to solve this equation. 4n square plus 4n square plus 4n 8n plus 4. Is it right? Then you have to take it 1924. Then you have to add these equations, add this both terms, 8n square plus 8n plus 4, 1924. If you take common on these methods, common 4, then you have to answer 2n plus 1, and you have to divide this equation 4, then you have to get 481. Okay, if you get 481, then you have to also take it this one is also like you have to minus this one term, 2n square plus 2 and minus 240. If you take once again 2n square and minus 2 120, 480, yeah, 240. Okay, then you have to take